In this video we'll show you a feature of the CAD system which can be really quite useful. So normally when you're creating a box, for instance, or anything within the CAD system, the help is shown at the bottom of the screen next to the word PartMaster. So that guides you through what the system is expecting next. Now that's okay, but there is another way of getting the help, and that's to use ToolTips. So to switch that on, we go to View, ToolTips, and now what happens is when you hover the mouse in the drawing area, then a tooltip flies out and tells you what the system is expecting next. In this case we're drawing a box, so it wants to know one corner of the box and so on. But it also says that you can right click and see the properties or the snap modes. So rather than having to go across to the left hand side of the screen and choose the type of rectangle that you want, or having to go down to the bottom of the screen to select your snap mode, that can all be done from here. So that's done using the tooltips which fly out as you hover the mouse in the drawing area. Okay, so another example of that might be dimension. So if we choose that, move the cursor into the drawing area, the help says left click to indicate the line to be dimensioned, but use the shift button to indicate a start point instead. So normally it just needs a line, so if we point to the line and then move the mouse, and then it says this is where the dimension text will be. If we want to position between 2 points which are not indicated by a line, then we use the shift key. For instance, if I want a dimension in near snap from this point to that point, I'm holding down the shift key and then we get the text there. So the tooltips are really useful. If you don't want to see them, you go back to View, Tooltips and switch them off. Once they're switched on, they stay active between drawing sessions. So that's just a nice little tip when you're using the CAD system.